Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me for today's video. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. Zena's always trying to get herself out of camera view. We bring you subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. So please hit that subscribe and hang out with us. For today, I have my Glamour jewelry box. This one is October's styles. Can't wait to dig in. Glamour jewelry box is a jewelry subscription. The jewelry is yours to keep. $34 includes shipping. And you get two high-end styles. It can range from silver or gold, your choice. And let's see. You can get from dainty to trendy styles. There's always a theme. This month's theme is Autumn is Here. It says the Central Park Collection. New York, New York. All right, so I love a New York theme. Always a great one, right? It says each fall, Central Park's trees transform into vibrant shades of yellow, orange, and red. We took note of this magical autumn moment and curated the Central Park collection featuring pieces that are effortless yet classic. Celebrate and explore the charm and vitality of Central Park with our new collection, a beautiful reminder that autumn has finally arrived. All right, a New York inspired collection. Let's do this. I, of course, do have a code for you. If you would like to give Glamour Jewelry Box a try, so I'll share that at the end. Here is the little pouch. It comes in, has the little Glamour jewelry logo on it, and we're going to dig right in. You always get little cards that tell you about the collections the jewelry is from and what the retail value would be. Also, there's a little bit about each piece, and I have two pieces here. It looks like I have earrings and a necklace, so I'm going to take my earrings off right now so we can try these right on. If you choose the gold, if you wanted gold only, you could get gold or rose gold, so just keep that in mind. All right, so first up is a necklace, and I have silver for this, this collection. So this is really pretty. I like the little dangles there. Very pretty. And this does have, it's adjustable, so you've got a little bit of room to make it shorter or longer there. And it is a lobster clasp. Okay, and this says, it's called the Park Avenue Necklace. The retail value is $38. And it says the Park Avenue Necklace is a trend-forward yet classic necklace with strands dripping down from the delicate chain. This piece puts us in the fresh, crisp fall kind of mood. All right, let me see if I can get this on for you. We'll take a look. Okay, so this is pretty. I like the little dangles. You have, what, 5 of them there, so you can center it up. And that's really pretty. Here's a closer look. I like it. It would go with most everything, right? You could dress this up or keep it casual with denim and your choice of top. Looks nice with the sweater I have on today. Okay, and then I have earrings as well. These are called the, oh, they have them actually packaged individually. These are called the East Village Hoops. The retail price for these is also $38. Here's what they look like. They are a stud. Siena's over there making sleepy time noises. She apparently isn't in the mood to work today. Very pretty. I like that they're a little bit like wider instead of, you know, bigger, what am I trying to say? Bigger as far as like a traditional hoop where it comes down farther on your neck. Those are pretty. there's both pieces. What do you think? I love the Glamour jewelry box set. So $34 for 2 pieces of jewelry every month. I'll put all the information for Glamour jewelry box down below. I also have a code for you. If you use my code, which is HAPPY, to sign up for the subscription, you'll get an additional piece of jewelry in your first box valued at around $25. Fun. So then you get 3 pieces in your first box. How pretty. How cool. Yeah, this is a nice set. This is a great set too also, which I think a lot of times they do a great job of this. I've probably said it before, but this is like a set that I would reach for traveling when you just need a great set that you can dress up or go casual with. So I tend to grab a lot of their sets for travel. This is really pretty. Okay. So it looks like the value of this set was right around $78. 76. Let's see. I cannot add. So the hoops were 36 and the necklace was 38. So about $74. And the cost is $34 each month. All right, I will put all my information down below for you. I will also put the information for the names of these 2 pieces in case you want to check any of them out. A lot of times you can shop some of the older pieces on their site once you become a member. So I also enjoyed that. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. I'd love you to hit that like if you did. Please hang out, hit that subscribe. Can't wait to hear what you thought of these new pieces. So please do comment down below. And until next time, everybody, bye-bye.